Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be straightening my hair. So my hair is already blow dried. It's been blow dried for over a week now. I wasn't really going to straighten my hair. I really just blew it out to trim my ends, but I didn't feel like washing my hair or wetting it to revert it or doing anything to my hair. So it's just really been up in braids, and I just combed it out and put in these two big twists just to get them out the way. I am washing my hair in a couple days, so I was like, why not straighten it, see how long it is, see if I have to cut any more pieces of hair or whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with this side. This is how my hair looks. Like, it's puffed out a lot. I use the Conair paddle brush blow dryer to really blow out my hair, and it's held up quite nice. And it's been raining in Georgia non-stop, on and off, for like a couple weeks, like, so it's held up pretty nice. So I'm gonna be using this flat iron right here. Don't know where I got it from. It was in college. I'm gonna set it to about, it goes up to 460. It doesn't have, this has this little knob here. So I'm not gonna do it at 460, but I'm gonna have it up pretty high. I have sprat tail comb. I have my Tangle Teaser. And then I have like just a regular clip because I can't find my other clips. So yeah. I'm just gonna section my hair out the way. Okay, so I am gonna be using the Chi Silk Infusion brain fart heat protectant for my hair. It's already some on here, but it's pretty old now. Like, my hair has absorbed a lot of the oils and heat protectant that I use. So I'm just gonna put about a drop. So just about that much. So you don't need a lot. I'm gonna focus on my ends a lot. Oh, by the way, if you want to see how I blow dry my hair, feel free to check out my previous video using the Conair dryer. But if you want a more updated one, because I have changed a couple of things since that video, just comment down below and let me know, and I can definitely film another video, maybe a better in-depth video. So this is the size of the section right here. So first I'm just gonna go over with the flat iron with no chase method, just trying to get an initial straightness to it. I'm going down really slow. All right. So this is how my hair is looking. Girl, got some length. So that's just from the first pass. So I'm actually gonna take my brush because I feel like it may work better. I'm actually gonna divide this up into 2 separate sections, so I don't have to worry about doing multiple passes. So I'm gonna put this here. I'm focusing on my roots a little bit so I can get those nice straight, and then so let's see the difference. So this is the second pass with the brush, and then this is the first initial pass. You can see like a difference. It's a lot smoother here, which I do see I may have to cut some of my ends. So I'm gonna do this section, get a little closer. Oh, trying to get my roots, and then just doing the chase method, which I kind of like the brush better because I get a better grip on it than the comb. It feels a little bit more natural to me. All right. And there we go. It's definitely a contrast. Like, look at my ends. I never really gotten my ends like this smooth. And look at the shine. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to fast forward this part because I'm already too long talking, and then I'll come back when my whole head is done. Took a lot longer, but I am tired. It is really late because I got off work and I started this video. But this is my hair. Like, it's a little stiff, but that's as to be expected because it wasn't like I freshly like did this on like washed and blow dried hair. So, but it came out really nice. It's so much longer than I thought. Like, my hair has really grown since the last time I really looked at the length of my hair. I'm just messing with this, don't mind me. So I'm going to actually stand up so you can get a better idea of how long it is, so let me adjust. Okay, so this is where my hair is coming to in the front. I gotta do a middle part. Ooh, ooh. I don't like middle parts. Okay, so back up. So this is how it looks. This is my bang, because you know I kind of have a bang, but it's basically grown out now. My hair is cut into layers. I still do need to clip my ends again, just so they'll be a little smoother. But as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, they're a little straggly. So I may go back and do another cut. But this is the front, and then this is the back. It comes right here to like mid back or bra strap length. This is it from the side. So yeah, this is my hair, you guys. Oh, what's this? Let's see if you want to cooperate with me. So yeah, this is it. Like, this is like the longest I've let my hair grow out to be, which is funny. Because I always wanted it longer, but I always end up cutting it for some reason or another. But this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, go ahead and comment those down below. Like I said, if you want to see how I blow dry my hair from start to finish, let me know down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.